Did you know that tremor, nervousness and sweating could be a sign your blood sugars are dangerously low? You can get your blood sugars under control without using medication. We will show you the method right now. I know how you're feeling because as a healthcare worker, I've worked with many people who have struggled with their blood sugars. Many of my patients would describe the terror they experienced when the symptoms of low blood sugar would strike. All my patients had similar stories to tell of crippling anxiety and lack of confidence in controlling their blood sugars, and the fear of the dangerous downward spiral of low blood sugar, which can be life-threatening. The information they'd been given by their doctors was often very limited. This led me to want to create a comprehensive, easy to understand guide to empower individuals like you to feel more confident and in control of your blood sugars, and to help prevent the negative effects of uncontrolled blood sugars. Hypoglycemia is the medical term for a state of low blood glucose, no matter what the cause. In this video, you will learn more about this dangerous condition and the steps to manage it. The symptoms of low blood sugar include sweating, paleness, tremor of fingers, hunger, tachycardia, malaise, anxiety, aggression, loss of consciousness, weakness, convulsion or seizures, change in speech or behavior, blurry vision, dizziness, confusion. You can even develop seizures or a coma. Your brain can't function without glucose. Compensatory changes in the body happen. Adrenal glands begin to secrete adrenaline, which induces increased heart rate and blood pressure, which can be harmful to diabetics with heart disease. Anyone can be affected by hypoglycemia, but some groups are at a particular high risk, such as the elderly and people with diabetes. Among those who don't have diabetes but have hypoglycemia more often than others are women, particularly those who are underweight. Also, people older than 65 can take several medications. Some medications interact with each other, changing the efficacy of each one, promoting or blocking their effects. This may also be why hypoglycemia is more likely to develop in the elderly than in young people. With the elderly, sometimes hypoglycemia isn't even suspected. Doctors may misinterpret the signs and suspect a stroke or falsely believe that the symptoms come from dementia. You can prevent hypos by taking a few key steps, such as learning about the best ways to manage your diet and exercise. Learning about the glycemic index can also help. This indicates how fast carbohydrates from foods will be absorbed, raising blood sugar. I want to share with you how to stop hypoglycemia dead in its tracks. To learn which foods are best for controlling your blood sugars. To learn about the ideal range for your blood sugars to be in and how to get them there. Learn how to minimize the chances of hypoglycemia when exercising. Life-saving precautions to take are covered. What foods to eat and which to avoid. Learn about the different causes, some serious and others not serious, of hypoglycemia, unrelated to diabetes. Imagine if you had access to this important scientific information. Would you use this information to help yourself, your family, your friends? Start living the life that you deserve. Melt away your doubt and worry. If you watch our video carefully, then you will know it's possible. Real results without surgery. Imagine living a normal life. No fear of horrible complications. To be able to spend time with your kids and grandchildren. To be there for your spouse. Imagine your fear melting away. To feel normal again. The fear never coming back. The real you coming out. The healthy, energetic you coming out. Not being a burden on your family. Don't be a prisoner in your own body. If you are watching this video right now, odds are you are serious about taking care of your health. You're committed to feeling great. I want to reward you for that. So, because you're watching this video, you won't have to pay $50. You won't even have to pay $25. No, because I've convinced my publisher to make a one-time discount coupon you can use, but only if you promise to do me one simple favour. After you're done with this ebook, simply share your success stories with others to help inspire them. If you promise to do that for me, and I'll take you on your word, then my publisher has agreed to offer the program to you for the special price you see below. That's less than a week's worth of coffee at Starbucks. When you hit the button below, you get the complete ebook at the special price you see below this video. That's not just a fair price, that's a bargain. If you're not absolutely thrilled with this book, then you can get a refund. If you're not blown away with this ebook, then you can get a refund. And even if you don't like the sound of my voice on this video, you can still get a refund. You've got two options available to you now. You can decide not to pick up a copy of this ebook and continue to live with the fear of collapse and coma, or you can apply the information right now and take your health back into your own hands. We have done all the research for you and compressed it into an easy to understand guide that anybody can use. We want you to receive your own copy. Chapter 2 covers the causes of hypoglycemia associated with diabetes, and also when you don't have diabetes. Chapter 3 covers treatment and prevention of hypoglycemia. The program is the result of extensive research. The step-by-step guide that you're about to receive will introduce you to everything you need to manage your blood sugar. There's no crazy diets. So how much does all this cost? Well, consider how much it would cost to pay for expensive doctors and medications. Consider all the wasted time you can save by avoiding time in hospital and lengthy treatments. Think about all the horrible symptoms that you can avoid. How much should it cost to prevent all of that? So, what is the price of bringing normality back into your life? Consider all the time, expense that went into this product. We're not in it for the money, we want to help you. We try to make the cost as low as possible just to cover our costs. It's just a nominal cost just to keep the website up. This is our simple guarantee. You will know it in just 2 weeks. Does your doctor give you this kind of guarantee? Doesn't your spouse and children deserve someone who will be around to support them when they are in need? Don't you deserve a life with no fear? Why are you still listening to me? Click the order button. Are you going to wait until you end up in hospital? Hit the button under the video. You will either be jumping for joy or you can get your money back. What else are you going to do with this money? Put your health first and put the money towards something that will have a long-standing effect on your health. If you want to beat hypoglycemia, then you must take action. The small action of trying our ebook could change your life. A life with less worry. It's what you deserve. Take action right now. Remember, you have the peace of mind of the 60-day money-back guarantee. Don't delay. Take action today.